In the beginning, there was the earth, sky, water, air, essential elements such as oxygen, carbon, nitrogen and phosphate, supporting the cycle of life. Phosphate found in soil passed to plants. In plants, phosphate passed to animals, allowing them to grow, produce skeletons, DNA, energy, as well as other elements that ensured their development. At the end of a long life, phosphate returns to nature. First under the sea, then on Earth, passing from plants to animals, then animals to humans. Time has passed, but the cycle has never changed. It's always the same because phosphate, the essential material to life, is found in every one of us. But a problem has occurred which has upset the phosphate cycle. Most of the phosphate is being assimilated by plants, so impoverishing the soil. The remaining phosphate is being washed away by rain into rivers, and finally into seas and oceans. This shortage of phosphate is now creating difficulties in feeding the 7 billion people on Earth. Fortunately, rocks rich in phosphate can be found in a few places on the planet. Industry has come up with a solution by promoting these natural reserves so it can spread to fields, in turn supporting the needs of a growing world population. However, today this solution has led to more problems. Such high-grade reserves, only used by traditional factories, are in dangerous decline. What's more, methods used in these factories produce a process which pollutes by consuming energy and creating tons of waste. This problem, which is twofold, makes traditional solutions unsustainable for future generations. At Ecophos, founded by Mohammed Takim, chemical and process engineer, we have the solution. We developed and patented an effective technology that allowed us to extract phosphate from less concentrated rocks, which is impossible to process using current methods. This low-grade rock is easier to find, so now we can be confident about the near future. And good news loves company. With this process, our factories will produce enormously less waste and consume less energy while making better quality products. This solution gains us centuries. These new reserves will also run out one day. Moreover, at Ecophos, we believe that recycling is an essential issue for the future of the cycle of phosphate and ultimately of the cycle of life. We set up the implementation of recycling human and animal waste as this is the last moments where phosphate is found in a concentrated form. After that, it's dispersed and difficult to recover. Phosphate is an essential element to life on Earth. Every day at Ecophos, we work to ensure this cycle is not broken by finding new extraction methods to recycle the maximum amount of phosphate possible, so every human being can eat their fill today and tomorrow.